Walaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, Aisha?
I'm fine. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good as well. Okay, let's start. Aisha, what we are doing today. Okay, what about those questions? What was the topic? I totally forgot. What was the topic? I think we started on Friday.
Yeah, I think so.
What was that? Cert? I think so. It was cert.
Yeah.
Okay. So, did you try the questions? Mm-hmm.
Actually, it's my last week in holidays, and we've been out, and I wasn't feeling well at all, so
Okay.
I didn't really complete it.
Okay, it's okay. Now, what we are going to do is that like we're gonna have a review of the whole topics because the thing which I already told you on Friday as well that we're gonna rewind all of the topics which we have learned because these are kind of topics they do need a kind of revision. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that like I will be asking you some of the little questions just for your concept. Okay, so whenever you see a little question in front of you, you can easily tackle it out that how we're gonna solve this. So the question of the topic regarding search and today is the review exercise. You can complete them afterwards. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm starting. Yeah. So I'm starting with a very simple question. Is that 4x plus 3y minus 2. Okay, it's so simple. Now you have to answer me, is it your algebraic expression or algebraic equation?
Algebraic expression
Okay, and what was the reason is that?
is because an equation will always have a solution with it, so it'll be equals to. This is just an expression. It doesn't have a mark.
Exactly. Yeah, the equation should be equal to some constant number or it should be equal to 0 or should be is equal to some other number or some other answer. Okay, good. Now the next question is, I'm writing an expression which is 4x raised to the power 4 plus 2x squared y. Now you need to tell me the degree of polynomial from this expression. We learned about the degree of the polynomial, have not we?
Yeah, we have. The degree of the
Mm-hmm.
the degree of the polynomial is 4.
Okay, and which 4?
The raised to the power 4.
Exactly. And how did you get it?
So you see which one has the highest exponent power.
Exactly, which has the highest. Yes, okay. And then?
And it's 4x raised to power 4. So that's why it's the highest degree of the polynomial.
Exactly. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, now, Aisha, you need to tell me. Just 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, Aisha. So, over to the question is that I'm writing a cubed. Wait, just wait. Okay, Aisha, I'm writing one question which is a cubed plus b cubed, and we want to see that exactly a cube plus b cube is a kind of formula. When we solve it out, we have it's another side which is right hand side or the equal left hand side. Can you tell me exactly when we solve this kind of equation, what do we get exactly?
Wait, sorry, can you repeat that? A cubed
plus b cubed. Yeah,
yeah,
and yeah, we have solved this equation. See, it's a kind of formula like a square plus b square plus 2ab. Do you remember?
yeah.
So we have another formula which is a cubed plus b cubed, and I told you to solve this. I made you learn to solve this formula. See, for example, this side is your left hand side, and you know every formula has the right hand side as well. So we need to find out that what is the right hand side of this formula, which is a cubed plus b cubed. So how are we gonna solve this?
Um,
See this a cubed plus b cubed. It means we're gonna write it as, can we write it as 3 times like a plus b, then a plus b, and then a plus b? Do you know that?
yeah, yeah, you could do that.
Yes, and then if you just find out that this a plus b and this a plus b, if we are supposed to multiply these two terms, these two expressions, what is the exact formula we do get from these two expressions?
Um, wait,
See,
wait,
I'm
when
writing
you,
again. Wait,
yeah, okay,
Aisha, I'm writing.
yeah,
See, it's a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a
the
plus
a
b
squared plus
and then
b squared
exactly,
plus 2.
exactly. Yeah. So similarly, the exact pattern, the similar pattern I'm writing over here, but just is the difference of that this time I wrote a cubed plus b cubed. Got it? So
Yeah.
now it means that it is a plus b, then a plus b, and then a plus b. Okay? Okay, can you solve it now? See these two terms,
Yeah,
you can easily get that a plus b and a plus b are
yeah,
a squared,
plus a squared plus b
mhm,
squared plus 2.
plus 2ab. Now, the another term which is a plus b. Exactly, is that your answer? A squared plus b squared plus 2ab into a plus b.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the next question is, this one you need to solve is 3 plus under root 2. Now, it's a kind of question related to the surds. You need to find out the answer. 3 plus under root 2 into 3 minus under root 2.
Okay.
Mhm. And it's so easy. If you just focus on the question, you will exactly get the idea that what we are going to do in this. That's so simple. You just need to play with the game of the formulas.
Okay, one second. Um, sorry, one second. I know what to do. This is not coming in my head right now. It was,
Mhm.
wait. So,
See,
do
Aisha,
you feel?
if
Yeah.
you see in every formula, in every question in algebra, before the starting topic of surd, what we have done whenever we have see one time plus and one time minus, when the variables are same, the coefficients are same, what we do is that we just combine that formula, we just combine those expression into the single formula, which is a square minus b square. Do you remember now?
Yeah.
Now see, a square minus b square, it means if we still open them up, so we will get one time in minus and one time in plus. Isn't it the same expression we are finding in the question as well? We are facing in the question as well. 3 plus under root
Yeah.
2 and 3 minus under root 2. See, one time in plus and one time in minus. Isn't it easy to solve? You just follow the formula and the answer will be taken out. We just need to be, like more focused that exactly what we're going to do is that. So it means that if the formula has to be applied, So we have to square the number on both sides in the plus form as well and in the minus sign as well. We're gonna combine them, we're gonna adjust them up in a base of formula. Did you get it?
Yeah.
So how are we gonna do that?
Yeah.
Aisha, how are we gonna do that? See this question. See, I wrote the formula as well. A square minus b square. The formula is mentioned. So
Yeah. Yeah. So we've gotten we have it in a squared, a plus b and a minus b. What we supposed to do now?
no, I told you in the previous class as well. If you don't have any number, you can suppose it the number like if you can suppose the number as constant as well. See, this one is your A, this one is your B, this one is your A, and this one is your B. So you can do that.
Um. Oh, okay. Um. So
See,
do you have to?
wait. I'm just speaking all the steps in sequence wise. Fine. See, this is your A. Okay, 3 is supposed to be A. Under root 2 is supposed to be B. Similarly, over A, here A as well and B as well. Now, the second thing is that you're going to apply the formula, which is, and how you identify the situation that you're going to need, you have to be in the situation that you apply the formula over here. What is that? Like you see the operational signs one time in plus and one time in minus. Did you get it? Aisha, it
Um.
seems like you got confused.
I just don't understand what you're saying right now because you've said that it's a and b and a and b. So are you supposed to make the formula a squared plus b squared by
Exactly what I
combining?
have been saying. I have been saying I'm not by combining. I'm not saying that we have to combine them. I am making the circle again and again and again and again on the plus and minus sign. Do you see that? The first plus and
Yeah.
the first minus. If you just focus a bit more, you see that it resembles a kind of formula which is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Did you get it now?
Yeah.
So now, say a square minus b square. It's a and b. Did you get it now? 3 is supposed to be a and under root is supposed to be b. So we are just making them combine in a kind of formula. See, like, just don't do anything. I'm just following the formula. What I'm doing, I'm writing 3 square minus under root 2 square. See, I just followed the formula of a square minus b square. Did you see that?